Radha everyone, here we are discussing if the raise of marriage age, then what will happen? Discussing.
So, as we all know, Indian government want to raise the age of girls' marriage. Right now it is 18, but they want that the age should be of 21.
Yes,
Yeah.
sister.
Yeah, so it is very good because some girls are not carrying their higher education.
And we should celebrate this.
Of course, it is the great.
But I have also objection that government, why don't government give the equal to everyone? Equal law.
It is
equal law to
No, in
everyone.
Pakistan there is 18 years.
So,
And
listen. Pakistan is other. We are in India.
So we have to
in
follow
India.
this rule.
Miss Indian law is other. It is only 16.
16.
And in Britain, it is only 18. I am not talking about higher secondary school sweetheart marriage. I am talking the forceful marriaging. Miss, as our parents are thinking that girls are marked to fade, so they are getting their girls marriage in is the age of 18.
And even early marriage is not good at all.
Yeah, early marriage means early pregnancy.
And it create various problems during this all. You know, we hadn't so miss in 18 what you are. You have only a little idea about the world. And in this age of just performing various laws, performing various rituals, it is not, good.
So what will the age of boys if the age
No,
of girls are
it was
21?
equal. Yeah, it is equal. The law is equal to everyone. That and what is the age of
So
boy?
why don't government do that same age to boy and girl?
It is same.
same.
Anjali. It is
No,
same.
the boys.
That's initially it was not same. Initially it was that means the girl is
Now
of
the age of boys are also 21.
Yes, it is
Yes.
also 21. Initially, what was it? Means as from 2000 in 2006, what was there? Means the Child Marriage Act in 2006, and that marriage act due to this, the Child Marriage Act just finished. That child marriage is not happening. So it was the one of the best act. From that, means from 2006, the marriage age become 18. But now the government want that we should raise it more, and it is very very good for us, as we all know. Yes, or not?
Yes.
Of course, and now I'm going to tell why it is good. It is good because from 18 it become 21. 21 means I think marriages is depend on girls. Girls should
graduate
decide.
also.
Yeah, and girls should decide that when we need to marry and how we need to marry. As our parents are giving dowry, as much they are demanding. But when we will be becoming 21, we will become graduated, and we have lots of acquaintance that what is right and what is wrong. We have acquaintance to know what is what is perfect for us. We can choose everyone
And higher government is only solution.
for this. Yeah, because now hardly now also child marriage act is happening. Before 18, the parents are getting their marriage. So higher government is the only solution for this, and I'm really glad that it is happening. And you know what? I must discuss a very important topic here also. As Muslims law, you said na Pakistan, not Pakistan, Muslims. In India also their Muslims are dwelling,
Yeah.
their Muslims are inhabiting. So their law is something different. What they are doing, they are saying that girls become at the age of 16, and if they are reading, if girls want to, Muslims are doing, they are getting their girls marriage at the age of 16. So it is.
But Preeti, according to me, that government should give the equal rule to the
Yeah,
everyone.
it is
But
equal.
there is difference between that Muslims and Indians. Why it's happening?
Why cannot girls carry higher education?
Girls are carrying higher education, and the matter of Muslim and Hindu, it is not. We all are Indian. Even the Muslims who are.
But there is not equal between Muslims
But
and
look,
Indians.
government had provided the law. Government is saying that law should be equal to everyone, because all of us who is dwelling in India, they all are Indian. And the Indian law is to marry the girls after 18, and now it become to marry the girls. So I was saying that we all the people who are dwelling in India, everyone is Indian, but Muslims had made their different rules. They are saying that the girls should marry at the age of 16, and this all. And even the peoples of Qatar, they are also getting their child marriage in the age of 16.
Government to finally.
But as government had said that we should raise the age of girls.
There is no any rules for boys that they should also get married in that age. They are just marrying when they want.
So
Why
that
is
that
rules
is
for
their
girls?
sweetheart
And they just
marriage.
carry the girls and then
Fluid. Yeah, I know. So is not girls are responsible for this? Girls are totally responsible for this. Why will she
We are
flirt
not-
with any boy?
We are not saying that girls are
so
not
boys are forcing.
Why they
Why
don't?
why boys will force make us
Boys are
independent?
not
Girls,
forcing. Girls
girls
are
should
common
become
sense.
independent. Girls should have says that why will I flirt with any boy? I have to take the
Yeah,
chances.
it's
fault of the both boys
Both
and
boys
girls.
and girls. And that for this only, that girls and boys are pleading for this constitution said that the age will be 21, that they will become
Why
graduate.
the boys don't have that age?
Boys, I think
Why they are as free?
they are not free, Anjali. They have a for both of them. But initially, I can understand before 2006 and after 2006 also, there is a perfect age of only girls, not boys. Means a girl can marry with any age of boys. And before 2006, when the Child Act was not, when the Child Act was not followed, on that time what was happening? The girl is of only 15 and 16, and the boy is of 25 and 26. So initially it was happening, but after 2006, after Child Marriage Act, it is not happening. The girl and boy both have a same age of marrying. If a girl is marrying at 18, so boys also need to marry at after 18, not before 18. It was rule, and it is
After
also
21 age we cannot marry.
we can marry after
But
21.
stage is 21.
Once.
After 21,
Means
you
before
can-
21 you cannot
You
marry.
cannot flirt
And we
with
can
any
also
boy
get
at
married.
the
Means
age of
that
18.
your parents force you to do in age of 18.
That you can. And
So you
cannot
can just-
flirt with any boy at the age of 18. After 21, you can.
I understand
Before
that. I
21 you are going
understand.
to fluid, your parents will hold again and they will have to you.
It is right. It is right. And you know what? Why parents are getting marriage before, means at the age of.
I am very happy.
We are very happy.
Because as the government raised the age of marriage of girls, so we all are happy. बट हमें गवर्नमेंट से एक ही शिकायत है कि उन्होंने हिंदू, मुस्लिम, ईसाई इन सब के लिए अलग अलग लॉ क्यों बनाए. वी आर इंडियन, हम पहले इंडियन है, बाद में हिंदू मुस्लिम है, तो हम सब इंडियंस के लिए एक ही लॉ होना चाहिए. इसलिए मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी गवर्नमेंट से, दैट मेक अ परफेक्ट लॉ फॉर एवरी इंडियन. सभी इंडियन गर्ल्स के लिए मैरिज एज होना चाहिए 21 परफेक्ट. सभी इंडियन गर्ल्स के लिए, चाहे वो हिंदू हो, मुस्लिम हो, कोई भी हो, इंडियन गर्ल्स का एज आफ्टर 21 ही होना चाहिए.